Today I'm going to be upgrading Purphoros.
If you've never sorted for cards in alphabetical order before, I was able to take out most of my Plainswalker full art, replace them with the set from Phyrexia, all but one, a foil Lord of the Rings, two of the full arts that I took with me to Vegas, one of each style, the Japanese Kimojaga lines, Dynasty, one from the unset. Only a couple more to go. So I'm guessing this mountain doesn't make fire resistance. For +2, I can search for a basic mountain card, reveal it, put it in my hand, then shuffle. I don't care about -3. -7, you get an emblem with whenever a mountain enters the battlefield under your control. This emblem deals 4 damage to any target. Here in a little bit, I will double check my CMC on Master List. Now, unfortunately, when a Plainswalker becomes a 4/4 dragon, it doesn't cause an ETB effect. However, if he is on the field, whenever a creature attacks me or a Plainswalker I control, each dragon that I have deals 1 damage to that creature. So that means for the +1 until end of turn, each Plainswalker I control becomes a 4/4 red dragon creature. But to -3 him and create a 4/4, that means that if a creature attacks me or a Plainswalker, each dragon I control deals 1 Defiance. 2/1 her. I can exile the top card in my library and I cast a card. If I don't, she deals 2 damage to each opponent. So I can +1 her and just choose not to. Or I can +1 and add 2 red. I can -3 her to deal 4 damage to target creature. Or I can -7 her and I get an emblem with whenever I cast a spell, this emblem deals 5 damage. Legacy of Fire. At the beginning of my end step, Chandra's Legacy of Fire deals X damage to each opponent, where X is the number of Plainswalkers I control. I can +1 her to add 1 red for each Plainswalker I control. Or I can +0 her to remove a loyalty counter from each of any number of permanents I control. I can exile that many cards from the top of my library, and I'm blooded. I can +1 him to draw a card, then discard a card at random. -4 him, he deals damage equal to the number of cards in target player's hand to that player. Or I can -6 him and gain control of all creatures until the end of turn. Untap them, they gain haste. So I'm going to be exchanging this to Bolt with this to Bolt. My opponents can't gain life. To -2 him, I can create a 1/1 red devil creature token with, when this creature dies, it deals 1 damage to any target. The spell can't be countered. Chandra, Awakened Inferno. I can +2 her to get an emblem with, at the beginning of my upkeep, this emblem deals 1 damage to you. I can -3 her so that Chandra deals 3 damage to each non-elemental creature token, and I can -X her where she deals X damage to target creature or Plainswalker. If a permanent dealt damage would die this turn, exile it instead.